Hold on. Okay, we're recording right now. I'm making some new. I'm making some rice. We're like filming right now this year. Okay.
Learning you have Hodgkin lymphoma can feel overwhelming, but you can rise to the challenge. Cold weather expected through the afternoon into the start of our evening as our temperatures build back into the lower 30s. Now, as the evening goes on, the chance of some showers return as the next disturbance starts to push on in. And now these will start with some snow showers, trying to mix with a little rain as we get deeper into the overnight. Now, temperatures will drop to around 30 through the evening and then slowly start to climb through the night. And with those climbing temperatures, that's when that chance of a raindrop or two mixes in. But still dealing with some snow showers through tonight into early Saturday morning. Not looking for a lot of snow, but a coating up to an inch, a possibility. The bulk of this will be finished to start your Saturday. Maybe a leftover snow shower or flurry early. Otherwise, a fairly quiet day. Plenty of clouds around and high temperatures pushing on into the upper 30s into your Saturday afternoon. By the time we go into Saturday night, another system starts to build in. This one, a warmer one. So we get through the evening drive. Rain showers try to build in towards Sunday morning, and that chance of rain showers will stick around on Sunday. Could mix with a snowflake or two, but overall just some rain showers expected through the day on Sunday, and then we get into even colder temperatures building back in next week. So this afternoon, just some clouds around, even a few peaks of sunshine into tonight. Snow showers develop. For the rest of tonight, again, going to have some snow showers and flurries around through this evening. Could add up a quick coating to an inch and, of course, reduce visibility. Now, the temperature keeps dropping for us into the 20s, so that snow will have a little better chance of trying to add up into the morning. By tomorrow morning, still a chance of a snow shower or flurry to get your Friday morning started. But the rest of the day, just a lot of clouds around. Temperatures continuing to climb, but just barely back into the low 30s, so we stay cold on through the day. Then tomorrow night, that disturbance out of the northwest, it comes sliding on through here late evening and overnight, and this too will try to lay a fresh blanket of snow down. I don't look for a lot, a coating to an inch, possibly up to 2 by early Saturday morning. And then Saturday, we start the day with a chance of a snow shower or flurry. I don't look for a lot of precipitation on Saturday, but as we go into the afternoon, we'll get our temperatures back into the upper 30s. There's a tiny chance we get a sprinkle or a flurry as we go through the afternoon into Saturday evening. A bigger system tries to move in later Saturday night and Sunday, and with that, we'll have some rain and snow showers around. Tonight, 24 snow showers, a coating to an inch, especially through this evening. Still getting some gusts up to 20 miles per hour, but the wind won't be as big of a factor overnight. 32 tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Chance of a snow shower or flurry, mainly in the morning. The rest of the day, just a lot of clouds around and those cool temperatures holding on. That chance of snow returns tomorrow night. Small risk of a snow shower or flurry early Saturday, and then a sprinkle into the afternoon. Rain showers built in on Sunday. Could mix with some snowflakes, especially early in the morning. And then by the time we get into Monday,
Bringing out the best in your team is hard. Your people are spread out across 4 time zones on 5 platforms.
Cold weather expected through the afternoon into the start of our evening as our temperatures build back into the lower 30s. Now, as the evening goes on, the chance of some showers return as the next disturbance starts to push on in. And now these will start with some snow showers, trying to mix with a little rain as we get deeper into the overnight. Now, temperatures will drop to around 30 through the evening and then slowly start to climb through the night, and with those climbing temperatures, that's when that chance of a raindrop or two mixes in. But still dealing with some snow showers through tonight into early Saturday morning. Not looking for a lot of snow, but a coating up to an inch, a possibility. The bulk of this will be finished to start your Saturday. Maybe a leftover snow shower or flurry early. Otherwise, a fairly quiet day. Plenty of clouds around, and high temperatures pushing on into the upper 30s into your Saturday afternoon. By the time we go into Saturday night, another system starts to build in. This one, a warmer one. So we get through the evening dry, but rain showers try to build in towards Sunday morning, and that chance of rain showers will stick around on Sunday. Could mix with a snowflake or two, but overall just some rain showers expected through the day on Sunday, and then we get into even colder temperatures building back in next week. So this afternoon, just some clouds around, even a few peaks of sunshine into tonight. Snow showers developing with up to an inch, a possibility overnight into the start of your Saturday morning. High temperatures tomorrow, upper 30s, so warm up expected to get into your weekend. Isolated flurry possible first thing, otherwise a mostly dry day. Sunday does feature some rain showers on and off into the afternoon, near 40, and then cooling back down. Chance of snow showers returning into Monday. A very small chance of an isolated snow shower flurry on Tuesday, but fairly quiet weather into the middle of the week. Just cold. Some snow showers try to return later in the week, and notice those temperatures even colder. Highs in the 20s and lows, falling as low as the single digits into next Friday morning.
So with future traffic, we're starting this morning with that chance for snow. By mid to late morning, that snow is winding down, and I've got a mostly cloudy and dry forecast through the afternoon. Still cold, with highs staying at about 30 later today. Into tonight, here comes that next system. Future tracker showing some raindrops, but I've got snow in the forecast with snow showers around overnight. Once again, by Saturday morning, I think a lot of that snow is just about done with. And as we continue through the morning into midday, mostly cloudy skies. It will be a little warmer as we end up in the mid to upper 30s. We've got another system that will be arriving late Saturday night into Sunday morning. This time a bigger system, more widespread showers expected on Sunday, but I think it's going to be in the form of rain as temperatures are in the upper 30s through a lot of the day, so not a big snow for us. Here's a look at future snowfall today. Little to no additional accumulation expected. Tonight into Saturday morning, 1 inch or less expected in most spots, but similar to this morning, as you're up and out the door early tomorrow, could encounter a few slick spots. Today, that chance for snow mainly this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy. It's going to stay blustery and cold with highs nearing 30. Wind chills likely staying in the 20s into the afternoon. Tonight, we're back to the upper 20s. Snow likely a dusting to up to an inch possible. Blustery still with those winds. Tomorrow, we're back to the upper 30s, so trending a touch more mild. A few isolated showers possible. As we take a look ahead, Sunday, rain and likely a little bit of snow mixing in at times. Temperatures are back to the low 30s on Monday with a few snow showers possible. Then it turns colder into the middle part of the week with overnight lows back in the teens and highs staying in the 20s both Tuesday and Wednesday.
Age comes with wisdom, and wisdom comes with benefits. So make the wise call and learn more about Cigna Medicare plans in your area. You want to stop in. Visit CignaWiseCall.com today.
Let's talk about the afternoon. I do expect scattered snow showers and flurries for most of the afternoon, not adding up a whole lot, coating to up to an inch. But here comes that band of heavier snow as we get into 4 or 5 o'clock from the southwest. And this will produce a very low visibility with it, a quick inch, possibly 2, as it works its way on through this evening into early tonight. So if you do have travel plans, you may want to give yourself a little extra time. If you run into this thing, be prepared for close to whiteout conditions, a possibility with some gusty wind as that pushes on through. That's a snow squall. That's a possibility this evening into early tonight. That will push out of here, and then we'll just get into some hit or miss snow showers for the rest of the overnight into tomorrow morning before wrapping up. Temperatures at 24 tonight. Snow showers again, especially early, a coating to an inch, locally up to 2. That chance of snow showers will wrap up tomorrow morning. A few flurries trying to linger. 32 is your high temperature. Now, Tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, another round of snow builds in. Not looking for a lot, but an inch or so possibility into the start of your Saturday morning, and a small risk of a flurry or a snow shower sticking around Saturday, even a sprinkle or a raindrop into the afternoon. Another storm moves in here Saturday night and Sunday with rain and snow showers, going to rain showers on Sunday, and then back to snow showers Sunday night. And then we start to get even colder through the middle of next week, with that chance of a snow shower lingering around for a good part of the week. Wednesday looks like a fairly quiet day, but the cold weather definitely moving our way.
I hope we catch them. I really do. More coverage from Trumbull County. A neighbor on edge after a deadly shooting.
Looking at Future Tracker, temperatures continue to warm up through the day. In fact, we'll get into the upper 30s this afternoon. As we go into tonight, some rain showers around this evening, and then as we approach midnight, that's when that chance of rain starts to mix back over to some snow showers into tomorrow morning. Temperatures will drop back close to 30, a few pockets into the upper 20s, and then that chance of snow showers sticking around for us tomorrow. They see a few bursts here and there that could add up a quick inch or two as we go through the day, but most of that is gone by the time we get into Friday morning. We catch a break on Friday, and then Friday night, another disturbance booster, a little clipper system, going to drop another fresh coating of snow down Friday night into Saturday. 39 this afternoon. Wintry mix is ending for us. It's mostly rain showers from this point forward. Still some gusty wind jumping up to 30 miles per hour or higher. And again, I'm not looking for any additional snowfall accumulation this afternoon. In fact, it'll be negative. The snow starts to squash down through the day. Tonight down to 28. Rain mixes to snow. Could see a coating or a dusting up to an inch by early tomorrow morning. And of course, that could be on top of some ice. So want to watch that with those temperatures falling. Tomorrow, 33 will be your high temperature, colder and blustery. Snow showers scattered about, a coating to 2 inches possible with those snow showers through the day tomorrow into tomorrow night. And your 7-day forecast staying unsettled. Most of Friday looks fairly quiet, maybe a few flurries early. As we go into Saturday, some snow showers overnight should end by Saturday morning. And then the system on Sunday looks like it's going to be more rain than snow at this point, but it'll be a cold rain. Then it turns colder with the chances of snow showers behind it on Monday. The temperatures trying to get back up into the upper 30s again by Wednesday, with another storm moving in with the chance of some rain and snow showers.
Should all medic
Here, southwest of Columbiana. This will be pushing over toward Middleton, and then let's go north just a little bit if you don't mind. I appreciate that. Okay, this is somewhere we'll be watching. Okay, don't see anything too significant in there, but again, this is some gusty wind that also extends up toward Youngstown and Boardman tonight with this line of storms moving on through. So right now, no huge signatures that are sounding alarm bells with us in here, but we're watching those closely. Jim?
And as you mentioned, that tornado warning was just south of Cleveland just an hour ago, so it is moving at a quick pace. That's now potential for tornado to form just south of that, and the National Weather Service puts that out so you have as much prep time as possible, and to keep you on the alert that is possibility that you might need to seek shelter if you are south, as you mentioned, in parts of southwestern and southern Columbiana County for the potential for that to spin up. and still not looking at anything that's overwhelmingly giving us a radar signature, because many times a tornado warning will be issued if, of course, it's dark nighttime right now, if radar signature shows the signature that we're looking for to show us that we have rotation, they will go ahead and put out the severe thunderstorm warning, change it to a tornado warning, if in fact they do see radar signatures out of the National Weather Service, and we're trying to stay ahead of that as well.
All right, and let's go ahead and go back to that one spot we were just looking at here, and that is just south of Columbiana. I am going to go ahead and switch radar products here. Let's get in a little bit closer here. Unionville, rather, excuse me, southeast of Latonia. If you're living in the East Fairfield area, Rogers, New Waterford, up and down 7 south of Columbiana, this is an area. I want to switch radar sources. This is a little concerning, okay? This is just south of Columbiana. Again, not a strong signature, but this is an area we're going to watch here. And let's talk about some of these roads in this region here. This is just south of Columbiana here in the east of Route 11. This would be west of Route 7 here. So again, if we turn this on, different products on here, and we'll go ahead and take a look at this. This is south of Columbiana, around the Middleton area, and it's north central parts of Columbiana County here this evening. And there you go. You can plainly see that this is an area that we're starting to see just a slight amount. Okay, that was a tornado warning has expired for Stark County, so that's good news. That is the storm off to the west. So this is an area we're going to watch here, just south of Columbiana. This is still pushing some strong gusty wind with it here across Columbiana County now. Let's go and take a look at some of those numbers. Go ahead, Ryan.
I want to see too if we look at that from Pittsburgh's radar site there as well, because what we're seeing in there too, certainly picking up on very strong wind gusts coming and plowing right into eastern now Columbiana County. This where you start to see, again, I'll look short here because Paul's much taller than me, but what you see here, these almost blue shades showing up, Unionville, Columbiana here, working toward New Waterford and Middleton. That's some very strong wind gusts, and we're watching this closely because of the trajectory of how this is starting to take shape here. This is potentially trying to do a little bit of spinning in there. It's certainly not a very strong signature, but it's something that we're closely monitoring. I'm a little concerned with what we see between about Columbiana here and New Waterford, Middleton, East Fairfield as well. So in these areas, I want you to be extra alert and make sure that, again, you're paying attention to what's going on here, taking these storms seriously. Seeing, again, in northeastern Columbiana County, around Columbiana, between Columbiana and New Waterford, some concerning signatures showing up there on radar. Paul?
Yeah, and again, concerning is a good way of putting it, right? This is one that we're going to watch the consistency of this to see whether or not it evolves into something bigger or not. Out to the west here in Canton and southeastern Stark County, again, that tornado warning has now been canceled. That is still a severe thunderstorm warning. So this is also an area we're watching closely too, and it too not showing any of those big strong signatures like it was showing earlier. So again, as we back up and regroup here tonight, it does look like, as we take a look at the bigger picture, this is the main core, and I'm going to go ahead and outline this on a squall track. I apologize, that was not the proper way of doing that. So what I want to do is go ahead and draw a track on the gustiest wind. If you're living in Youngstown, basically I-76 across Mahoney County, I-80 is probably the better line to use right now north. The worst part of the weather is past you. It's moved on to the south here. But that south of I-80 is still dealing with some rough weather. And as we go ahead and put a squall track on this, I'm going to run this line through some of the biggest wind that is associated with this entire line. This is moving at about 50 miles per hour. So this will put this on through down toward East Liverpool, even Lisbon around 12:30, which is where we're sitting at. It's right on the borderline with you. But as we look ahead, you can plainly see this gets on into Malvern and northern parts of Carroll County, Wampum over in western Pennsylvania, about 12:39, 12:40, and off to the southeast and southern parts of Columbiana County as this moves on through about 50 miles per hour. So this line is on the move tonight, and that is good news. This thing is actually running a little little ahead of schedule now. It did really well. The models did really a good job showing when this was going to start, but this thing is dropping south fast now. And we'll go ahead and run this on a loop once again here over the last 2 hours, just to show you how this has marched it